Hi, this is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make one of my eyeshadows. This is going to be a loose eyeshadow, and we are going to grind it in this coffee grinder, and I use this little small coffee grinder from Hamilton Beach. Okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to put the color. So I'm going to put 3 tads of this purple. And I'm going to show you the color. Okay. And we're going to put 3 tads. 1, 2, and 3. This is a very simple eyeshadow. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to put is 1 dash, make sure I got my right spoon, of my loose base. And that's how easy the recipe is. And then the next thing we're going to do is grind it. So I'm going to put a piece of saran wrap on top of this, close it, and you're just going to grind this for about 30 seconds. Okay, we'll take the top off, and this is when you need to put your mask on. I'm just going to tap it, because when I take this off, you're going to see some of the ingredients kind of come out the top a little bit, and that's what I don't want you to breathe. You'll see me say this over and over again in my videos. Okay, so I want to put this in a cup, because when you make this for yourself, you're going to decide what container you want to put this in. So I'm just going to put this in my little cup that I use to save color recipes, eyeshadows, for when I get ready to fill them. Okay, you can see this is a really nice purple. So I'm going to take one of my brushes, and I'm just going to put this on my arm just so you can see the color. It's very pretty. Okay, this is June with New Orleans Potions, and this was Royal Purple Loose Eyeshadow.